Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, May 25, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Third grade, we have 4, 6, 9. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, three numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. 10th row we have 5 and 7, so 5 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells. 6th row we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 9th grade we have 4 and 6, so 4 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another two cells, we will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 7. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 3, 9. 6th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column B, we already have 8. So it can't come. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column B also we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. 4th row, 9th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 4th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd row, 4th row, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then no one is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then no one is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. 8th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column E, 2nd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4 to 6. Second grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come here in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.